In this video, I will show you how to solve the system of these equations using Excel. These equations are the same as the one we have here on tutorial number 4. So we have here 4 equations with 4 unknown variables or unknown parameters, which are the pressure on piles A, the pressure on pile B, and the pressure on pile C, and the settlements value. So firstly, we need to arrange the equations as you can see here. We just organize them: equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, and equation 4, and then we need to organize them in the matrix format. So here we have the right hand side of the equations and the left hand side of the equations, and these are the unknown variables or unknown parameters we need to solve for PA, PP, PC, and the settlement ratio here. Because we have a rigid pile foundation system, so we're gonna have the same settlement for all piles A, B, and C. So we have the pressure A, pressure B, pressure C, and the settlements for the pile here. These are the unknown variables. So we're gonna start here with the solutions using Excel, with the aid of Excel. So I have created here for you a step-by-step guide you can follow to solve this system of equations for the unknown parameters PA, PP, PC, and the settlement value. So firstly, we need to fill in a 4x1 cell block with the numbers to the right of the equation, which are 0, 0, 0, 5. So we just type them here: 0, 0, 0, 5. So this is the first step. As we can see here, we just type in 0, 0, 0, 5, which is on the right hand side of the equations, and then on the second step we need to fill in the constants of the unknown variables of the equation to the left hand side of the equation, which is this part here. So we just need to copy it into 4x4 block here. So we just choose any 4x4 block here. We just type in 2.15, 1.78, 0.43, -1. So this is the first row for the first equations, and then we need to do the same for the second row, which is 1.78, 2.26, 0.5, -1, and then for the third equation 1.72, 2, 1, -1. For the last equation it's 4, 4, 1, and 0. So we have done from this step. Then we need to go to the next step, which is highlight an empty 4x1 block of cells and press the F2 key functions to write the equation. So we just need to highlight any 4x1 block. As you can see, it's an empty block, and then we need to press here and type equal, and then we need to write this function here. So we just need to copy it and open bracket, and then to the array here, and then we need to choose this one, which is the one for with the unknown, the constant for the unknown variables on the left hand side of the equation. We just need to highlight it, and we need to close the bracket, and then comma, and then to choose the one on the right hand side, which are 0, 0, 0, 5, the matrix on the right hand side. We need then to close the bracket, and then we need to press on Ctrl and Shift on the keyboard. And while we pressing Ctrl and Shift, we need to press Enter on the keyboard, and as we can see, we got the solutions of the unknown parameters PA, PP, PC, and the settlement value. So this is the amount of pressure A, this is the amount of pressure B, this is the amount of pressure C, and this is the settlement factor. The settlement factor is the one written by this equation, which is rho I divided by rho naught cross NH variable. Okay, so if we compare these value with the solution here, they would be the same. You just need to correct this value from the tutorial solution, so it should be 2.47, not 2.74, but the other variable should be the same, as you can see here. So what we got, so we got here for PA 0.686, PP 0.481, and PC 0.332, and the settlement value, you just need to correct this value, it should be 2.47. So that's how to solve a series of equations with different variables. Thank you.